multiple alleles, and the example is fur color in the rabbits. Multiple traits are those traits which are controlled by more than two alleles. Example is the fur color in the rabbits. Fur color in rabbits can exist in many forms. Here we can see if the fur color in the rabbits is dark gray, which is also called as agouti, there is a C allele of a gene that controls the fur color dark gray in the rabbits. In this example, we can see that fur color in the rabbits, C is for the agouti. If the C allele, then it will be agouti, while if there is CH allele, then it will be chinchilla color. So this is the chinchilla color and this is the agouti color. Another comparison, C is for agouti, CH allele, if there is CH allele, it will be chinchilla, and there is only H allele, then it is called as Himalayan. Himalayan is a rabbit that has small black spots on the nose and on the foots. The fourth allele of the gene, that is white. If there is a C allele in the recessive form, then the color of the fur color of the rabbit will be white or it will be albino. So we can say that there are four different alleles. Allele C, if the allele C is in dominant form, then the color will be agouti. If it is in CH form, then chinchilla, and if it is in H form, then it is Himalayan, and if it is C and recessive form, then the fur color of the rabbit will be white or it will have albino form. So here we can see all the four alleles and their genotypes. If there is allele C, then the color will be brown or agouti. If there is CH allele, then the color will be chinchilla that have black tips with white fur. And if there is allele H, then it will be Himalayan type that has white fur with black paws, nose and tail. And if there is allele C in recessive form, then the fur color of the rabbits will be white. So there are 10 different genotypes because the allele that contain 4 different alleles. If there are 4 different alleles, then 10 different genotypes will be produced. White will be when the allele will be C and it is in homozygous form. Himalayan will be when there is a CH allele or it will be CH or C allele. Chinchilla will have 3 different genotypes, while the gray will have 4 different genotypes. So there are 10 different genotypes. Gray when there is capital or the dominant allele. C is the dominant allele. When there is a C dominant allele, the color of the rabbit will be gray. Here we can conclude that dominance of the alleles. Allele C is dominant over the allele CH. C is for the agouti color. Agouti color is dominant over the chinchilla color. So this is for the agouti color and this is for the chinchilla color. We can say that if there is dominant allele C, then the fur color of the frog will be agouti, while chinchilla allele is dominant over the Himalayan fur type. If there is a chinchilla allele, that allele will be dominant over the Himalayan allele, while the Himalayan is dominant over the albino C, that is recessive form. So this is that allele C, if it is dominant form, is dominant over the chinchilla. Chinchilla is dominant over the Himalayan. Himalayan is dominant over the albino. So we can conclude that multiple alleles are those traits which are alternative forms of a gene, or those genes which have 3 or more alternative forms. Those genes are called as multiple alleles, mean there are 3 or more alternative forms of a gene. Such a phenomena is called as multiple alleles.